Hello and welcome to day 27 of IT Tips. Today we're going to start looking at photo editing. In Windows 10 we have a piece of software called Photos and it's the default photo viewing software, but you can also use it for editing. So I'm going to double click on my photo. If your photo doesn't automatically open in Photos and you're on Windows 10, right click on your photo, go to Open With and find Photos. You might be like me, you might have lots of different software where you can edit pictures. Obviously, if you've got Photoshop or Lightroom or some professional software, you wouldn't use this. But this is free, so it's really useful. I'm going to look at the top right-hand corner and it says Edit and Create. And for today, we're going to edit. The first section is called Crop and Rotate. So I'm going to show you just a few tips for cropping and rotating your picture. Now this one's quite straight, but I usually have a habit of having a slight angle on my photos. I must hold my camera at a funny angle, but we'll leave that for now. If you want to crop, you can just grab the corners and move in or out, but that doesn't maintain the aspect ratio, so you might find that your photo changes its proportions. So to stop that, you need to click on Original. And once that's clicked, you can then crop in or out and it will keep the aspect ratio. So I just want to come in a bit from both sides. I actually quite like that telegraph pole. I want to keep most of the sky in, but I would like to focus on the red sky, and I'd like that there. Okay. And I'm happy with that. So once I'm happy with that, I might want to just double check that it is absolutely straight. So on this straightening bar, you can see it's set at 0 degrees. And if I start to move it, I get a grid. That's really helpful if you've got a horizon, because you can match up your horizon with one of the lines. But in my case, I don't think I need that. So I'm just going to set it back to 0. And when you've finished, you can either save a copy or you can just save over the top. So I'm going to save over the top because I don't want to keep the original. And then I can close my photo and you can see here that the cropped version is now what I've got as my photo. I hope that's been useful. Tomorrow we'll look at some other photo editing. Bye for now.